In this video, I will share with you information related to owning real estate in Cambodia. I will tell you whether foreign citizens can buy real estate in Cambodia. What documents are required for this for individuals and legal entities? Can foreign citizens buy real estate of the Strata Title type? What is it? How long can you own an apartment or office? I will also clarify some legal and financial aspects. Well, for example, I will tell you about the associated costs you may incur when buying real estate, as well as what costs you will incur when selling real estate. I will also tell you about the associated costs that arise when renting real estate. And I will also answer the question of whether there are any restrictions on the transfer of funds to Cambodia. Well, and most importantly, I will tell you whether foreign citizens can buy real estate in Cambodia without flying here. Hello, my name is Andre and you are on the M2 Cambodia Realty channel. Here, it's all about the square meters of Cambodia that you, as a foreign citizen, can purchase. And in this video, there are answers to probably the most popular questions related to buying real estate in Cambodia.
M2 Cambodia Realty, your guide to the concrete jungle of Cambodia.
Can foreigners buy property in Cambodia?
Yes, residential and commercial retail premises with strata title ownership starting from the second floor. That is, the exception is underground premises and premises on the first floor. The Foreign Ownership Law of 2010 states that foreign citizens who meet the requirements established by law have the right of ownership of private units of buildings in joint ownership, as well as the right to use common areas.
What documents are required?
For individuals, an identity card or passport is sufficient. For legal entities, a tax certificate, company articles of association or memorandum, articles of incorporation and registration certificate, business license, corporate power of attorney signed by the authorized representative, and the representative's passport.
What does strata title mean?
This is a form of property ownership applicable to apartment buildings, condominiums, and horizontally divided units with common areas.
Can foreigners buy strata title property?
Yes, this is the only type of property that foreign nationals can purchase.
How long can you own an apartment or office?
The ownership of a strata title apartment or office space remains with the owner as long as the property is registered in his or her name. This right is protected by Cambodian law, including applicable laws, regulations, and possible amendments.
What are the associated costs when buying property?
The property transfer tax is 4% of the total value of the property and is paid upon registration of the transfer of rights. Registration of the transfer of rights costs from $200 to $1,800. Legal services are optional and cost from $250 and up.
What expenses do I have to face when selling property?
Capital gains tax is 20% of profit, paid by non-residents. Real estate agents' commission is 3% of the property value plus VAT. State duty is 4% of the property value. Payment is divided between the buyer and seller by agreement.
What are the legal and associated costs when renting property?
Rental tax for foreign owners is 14% of the monthly rent. Real estate agents commission for finding tenants. For office premises with a lease term of 3 to 10 years, rent for 1 to 2 months. And for condominiums or apartments with a lease agreement, for 1 year, rent for 1 month.
Are there any restrictions on transferring funds to Cambodia?
No, there are no restrictions on receiving foreign funds for real estate transactions here.
Can foreigners buy property without visiting Cambodia?
Buying real estate in Cambodia does not require personal presence from buyers. They can use the services of an agency, act on behalf of a legal entity, or purchase real estate directly from the developer. When choosing any option, you as a foreign citizen will be able to receive assistance from me in accompanying you at all stages of the purchase process. An important nuance: all the information that you have just heard is relevant at the time of publication of this video. This is April 2025. If you are watching this video a long time after its publication, then perhaps something has changed. Therefore, to receive up-to-date information on all the issues voiced in this video, please contact me in any way convenient for you and I will give you up-to-date information at the time of your request. Well, that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to subscribe, like, and leave comments. And don't forget to click the bell in the top right corner of the screen. It's right here. This will ensure you don't miss new videos on my channel. Goodbye, and see you in new videos.